Good morning, everybody. At least it's morning when I'm making this. This is for the week of April 20th to 24th. You guys are going to be using slope-intercept form. We talked in class a while back that m is your slope. Y, it's the letter m. Haven't a clue. B is going to be your y-intercept. Y, it's the letter B. Again, I can't tell you. Sorry, guys. They just have to memorize that m is slope. B is your y-intercept. And as a reminder, the vertical axis is your y and the horizontal axis is x. The y-intercept is where you're crossing this axis. So when they give you the equation y is equal to 2/3 x minus 4, the minus 4 is your y-intercept. It's where you're going to cross the y-axis. So on a graph, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a dot on the y-axis at -4. Because that's your y-intercept. It's where you're crossing the y-axis. This is your slope. Slope is 2/3. Slope is rise over run. So from there, you'd rise 2, run 3. And there's your line. You're always going to do the y-intercept first, slope second. I'll talk about a couple different options, or a couple different setups. What if your slope is negative? What if it appears to have no number in front of it? And what do you do if there's a whole number in front of it? So we'll look at these three different cases, including these. I'm also going to be showing you how it works in Delta Math. Okay, so Delta Math. All right, here we go. Let's get with a new problem. And sometimes it works better, seemingly, when this screenshot is up. It lets you see the cursor better. Why? I don't have a clue. So for this, I'm going to judiciously pick one to start with. Let's go with a nice positive slope one. Come on, there we go. Okay, the y-intercept is 4. So the slope, you start with your y-intercept of 4, and you put that on the y-axis. It tells you there's the y-axis. You go there and you put a dot at 4. Your slope is 1/5. So you rise 1, run 5 from that point. Rise 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you run 5. Submit your answer. Are you sure? Yep. And it says we got it correct. So let's try another one. What do you do if it's a whole number in front? Well, you always are starting with your y-intercept, which is -3. -3. If your slope, which is m, is 3, because you're reading it from here, that's 3 over 1. So you're going to rise 3, run, 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 Wascally rabbit, run 1. Okay, rise 3, run 1. So when it's a whole number, you're putting it over 1. So from that point, I'm going to rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and run 1. Submit your answer. Yep. And you got it right. Okay, 2 more types. We did a positive slope, positive. Okay, what do you do when there's a negative in front? Again, first you start with your y-intercept. It's telling you your y-intercept is 2. So you put a dot on the y-axis, wherever that number is. It's telling you you have a negative slope. So I got to remind you guys a little bit about when you have a negative slope. It's saying your slope is -1/2. You're going to take this negative and you're going to put it upstairs. So it's -1 over 2. So it's your rise. Oh my gosh. Where's my eraser? Rise over run. You're going to rise a -1, which means you go down 1, run a +2, so that means you go over 2. You're going to go down 1, right 2. from that point, I'm going to go down 1, run 2, and put a dot. From there I went down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. Okay. Now I want to get one, I think when there was no number in front. Come on. I know you guys have them in here. There, oh, there we go. Okay, we got it. I thought I was clicking too quick. Okay. It says your y-intercept is 3, so that's easy enough. So we got a y-intercept of 3. Now it looks like there's no number in front of the x. So let's just look at that quick. We're almost done. Be patient. We're almost there, you guys. It's saying your slope is, okay, let's back up. Y is equal to x plus 3. It looks like there's no number in front. When there's no number there, it's a 1. And just like on a previous one, when I had, say, 2x minus 5, you can always put the number in front over 1 when it's a whole number. This is a whole number. I can always put it over 1. So I'm going to rise 1, run 1 from that point. Rise 1, run 1. There it is. Okay. So I believe that's all the different types that I need to go through with you guys. Thank you for your time, and have a great rest of your day.